In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change OneDrive name. We'll use the OneDrive web app to rename both a file and a folder so your cloud storage stays organized and easy to search. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Microsoft OneDrive website. If you aren't already signed in, click Sign In and log in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the page. In the navigation panel, locate My Files. This is where all your personal OneDrive content lives. Click My Files to open the full list of your folders and documents. Next, pick the file you want to rename. Scroll or use the search bar if you have a lot of items. When you find it, right-click the file to open the context menu, then choose Rename. A small rename window will appear. Type the new name you want to use. Be careful not to remove the file extension at the end of the name. Things like .docx, xlsx, or .jpg, because changing or deleting that can make the file harder to open. When you're ready, click Update to save the new name. You should see the file instantly update across your list. If you're syncing OneDrive on your computer or mobile device, that rename will sync automatically. Now let's do the same for a folder. In the My Files view, click to select the folder you want to rename, right-click it, choose Rename, enter the new folder name, and click Update. This keeps your folder structure clean and consistent. If the folder is shared, the new name will be visible to collaborators, so choose something clear and descriptive. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't see My Files, you might be on the Home or Recent tab. Just switch back to My Files using the left panel. If right-click isn't available on your device, select the item and look for Rename on the toolbar at the top. Use names that include dates or project keywords so files are easier to find later. Avoid special characters such as slashes or asterisks in names, and keep names short but meaningful. Changes apply immediately in the web app and in shared links. And remember, you can always undo a rename with the version history or by renaming it back. That's it. You've successfully renamed a file and a folder in OneDrive using the web interface. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.